Blizzard 2021. Schwack the mailbox. Oh no. Alright guys, so I had to shovel a ton of snow out of the front of the garage in order to even get it out. But this is the Deluxe 30 inches, 15 foot-pound torque, 306 cc. So these grips, she's a beast, she's a whale. I'm gonna show you guys the startup procedure on it right now. I just pull cord it, I don't plug it in, there's no reason for it. This is the third season. I just put it away dry, and it always rips up, so I'll show you guys that now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is set your choke to start. And I got gas in it already. I don't need to explain that to you guys, I hope. Pump this till you feel some pressure. They say 3 times, but just give it a little love. And then you're going to want to come down here and turn on your start key. And then turn on your gas. And you're ready to go. And this guy's carb's nice and clean. I always put it away dry, so there's never really an issue. And I just pull it. I should be able to get this guy going first time. Then you just want to adjust your choke. There she goes. Turn on your heated grip. You got 6 gears, 2 reverses. You adjust this chute to this guy. This makes you go forward. That's your auger. And I'll show you guys take out the Blizzard of 2021. We're going to wipe this out right now. So, as you can see, didn't have any gas in it. So, anyways, that's a good way to show you that first chunk that I took out. Well, we're gonna get an accurate measurement here. We got 10 inches of snow. It's not incredibly dense stuff. So, if you guys want to see how to put gas in an air in the snowblower, I'll teach you guys that right now. I usually try to put my stuff away dry, so in case there's no snow, it's easier to get out. But you can see that this one got schwacked pretty quick. Doesn't take long. I only had it in first gear. I don't try to shred it. I mean, I got time. But you can see that the snowbank up here is no joke. Obviously it wiped out my mailbox. So you can see, I mean, it's the size of my whole entire blower right here when I'm trying to chunk out. But it'll handle it no problem. Alright, so that's where you put the gas in. Time lapse continue.